Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain about how to create the portfolio in Behance. As a designer, you must need portfolio so that you can showcase your capabilities to everyone. Especially while searching for any job, employer would ask about your portfolio so that they can determine your capabilities. Now I am using these two images to create the portfolio in Behance. I created one case study. Case study means process that I used in product design. This is my entire process while creating product design. I will explain later. Now I am saving this as an entire image. One is QuickShop UIUX image, one is cover image. These two images I am going to upload in Behance. Let's go to behance.net. See, this is behance.net, which is full of all the designers. Once you uploaded your project, you can get the feedback from other designers. You can share knowledge and you can get the inspiration from other designers. Suppose if you are an existing customer, you can log in. If you are a new customer, you need to sign up. I have credentials, means I am an existing customer, so I am going to log in now by using my credentials. As soon as I logged in, I can see the landing page and I can see other designers' projects like this. If you want to upload your project, then you need to go to profile. Then you can see your profile screen like this. Then at the top right there is a share your work button. In this drop down, you need to go project, where you can upload the project. It is simple, just watch it. See, you can upload the project as an image, you can add the text, you can add the videos, entire things. As I said, I created as an image, so I am uploading my case study image here. By clicking on image icon here, then I am going to upload my case study. So I am uploading here. See, the case study is uploading. Yeah, it has been uploaded. If you want to stretch, you can stretch. If you want to breathe space, just by clicking on these arrows, then it will be minimized like this, and this is called breathing spaces. I am using breathing space. Then I clicking on continue button. Then I am uploading cover image. You can use uploaded case study image as a cover image as well, but I am going to add new image. See, this is existing case study image that I uploaded now. Now I am not going to use this image as a cover image. I created other one, so I am clicking on plus icon. I can upload other cover image. See, it is added here, then crop, then cover image has been added. Then you can add the project title. Then this is QuickShop mobile app case study. Then this is related to UI UX. You can see the pre-populated drop down. Then mobile app, then you can add user experience, then you can add, I used Adobe XD, I can use Adobe XD. You can add up to 10 tags. Then tools used, I used Adobe XD for creating designs, and I used Adobe Illustrator for logo design. Tools that I used for creating this case study. And how would you categorize this project? This is related to UI UX, right? Now I am selecting UI UX and interaction design. If you want to choose other one, you can choose. There are many category fields. Then now I am using only these two fields. Then done. Now I am going to share with everyone. Not this is private. I am going to share with everyone. So select everyone, then publish. While publishing, you can get the published link where you can share with Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and LinkedIn. Now I am not sharing with anyone. Just close it. Now you can see the project details like this. Just go to your profile. Yeah, you can see the project, your project as a thumbnail. By clicking on thumbnail, you can see the entire product details like this. Now everyone can see your project here, and they can like if they like, and they can comment. Like this, you can create the portfolio in Behance, which is helpful to while searching for any job. This is what I would like to say for this video. Life is short. Enjoy your moment. Be honest. Never give up. Thank you.